This recipe is awesome because it's simple to make but so tasty. Today we've got our easy vegetable stir fry with creamy peanut sauce. You don't need to be scared of stir fries, just chuck it all into one pan and you're basically done. We've got a high protein and weight loss version of this meal, and it's just one of the many recipes included in our weekly meal plans. I've put a link to those as well as a link to this recipe in the description and comments section of this video. So let's head to the Hurry the Food Up kitchen and get cooking. Bring a pan to the boil and add a little bit of salt. Now add your noodles and let them cook. Once cooked, you can put them to the side. Add some soy sauce, peanut butter, water, sweet chili sauce and maple syrup to a bowl and mix together. It will take a bit of mixing, and don't worry if it looks a bit weird, it'll be fine by the end. Now add some oil to a non-stick pan and add garlic and ginger, frying them lightly to release their flavour. Add red onion and cook until it starts to brown. Add frozen peas and let them warm through before adding some baby corn. Now add the rest of your frozen vegetables and cook through. You can choose whichever vegetables you like best, and that means fresh vegetables too. Add the sauce and heat it until it starts to boil, and then turn off the heat and add your noodles in. Plate up, add a sprinkle of peanuts on top, and now enjoy. So there you have it, a quick vegetarian stir fry that's super tasty and full of healthy ingredients. If you're looking for more easy to make but incredible recipes, you should definitely watch one of these two videos here.